My name is Quentin Russell, and I am the engagement specialist here at Doc 365. Today, I'd like to take you on a quick tour of Doc's contract lifecycle management system. A little bit about our system before I walk you through it. Doc CLM is built on top of your existing Office 365 tenant. That means all of your important contract data will be kept safe and secure, while also allowing you full control over everything inside. Additionally, training and adoption take less time due to it being on a familiar tool. That said, let's jump into it. What you're seeing here is the dashboard. It's designed to provide a high-level overview of what's going on. This includes the contracts you're working on, the vendors and customers you're working with, and any tasks that have been assigned out to you. The standout feature on the dashboard is the expiring contracts tab. Out of the box, it shows you a breakdown of all contracts that are expiring within 30, 60, and 90 days. You can also click on any of the contracts listed here to be taken to its listing in the system. What this does is it helps you save time and makes all of your expiring contracts more visible. That way you can make sure that you're managing your contracts effectively as they approach the end of their life cycle. Our system also does the same thing for any contracts that might need your attention within the next 30 days. So if you need to submit a notice to cancel, a notice to renew, or you have any contracts that are up for review, they're all listed here so you can easily access them and jump to them so you can work on them quickly and effectively. Our system comes with an array of dashboards that allow you to get a comprehensive overview of your contract processes. That way you have more insight into what's going on a daily basis so that you can make more informed decisions about your contracts. Doc CLM makes it super easy to generate and store all kinds of dynamic contracts. It also makes it easy to track any and all contract data you want. In fact, we can help you establish a lot of that during the deployment process. Doc CLM also allows you to add and customize any number of contract templates. These allow you to standardize your contract language and generate contracts in minutes. You can use these templates to collect any amount of data about your contracts that can also be populated into a pre-built contract template. Let me show you how that works. Once the data is correct, all you have to do is hit save, and Doc CLM will get to work generating your new contract. As you can see, all of the data we entered about the contract is now in the document itself. So a process that used to take 15 to 20 minutes now takes less than 5. Once that's all done, you'll be able to jump over to a newly made contract listing. This lays out all of the data about the contract and makes it easy for you to get to work. Once the contract is generated and the listing is made, it's automatically deposited into a fresh contract folder. From there, you can use the inline word editing and redlining capabilities to make changes. Doc CLM also comes with a built-in clause library. What this does is it allows you to take your most used contract clauses and build them out as templates. That way, when you're editing documents and collaborating on them, you can simply take the clauses that you want to use and deposit them into the contract without you having to do too much formatting and typing. So it's all in there, and you don't need to worry about whether or not you're using the correct language. That way you can ensure standardized contract language even in your most custom contracts. So once you've modified the document and you have the draft, you can then run it through any number of pre-built workflows. These approval flows make it easy to know where the contract should go next and eliminate the chance of contracts getting lost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a workflow right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to build out the different stages. All I have to do is hit start. And then the system will take over and send a notification to the next person in line. Once they've completed this task, they then can just approve the workflow. and it automatically moves on to the next one. Once a workflow has been completed, it'll update the status of the contract, and you're ready to move on to the next stage. Doc CLM is e-signature compatible. So if you're using DocuSign, Adobe Sign, or Certify, you have the ability to use those alongside Doc CLM to make sure that all of your contract processes are digitized and you can streamline them by doing them all through one platform. The History tab makes it easy to know who did what to a contract and when, to make it easy to track issues before they come up so that you can maintain compliance on all of your contracts. Doc CLM also makes it easy for you to track the organizations you work with. You can manage your customers and vendors all from one place in the Party tab. Doc CLM can also be configured to track any information that you want about the different parties you're working with. Users can also build any number of reports from the data stored in the system, making it easy to track what's going on. Now, this was just a broad overview of Doc CLM. If you'd like to take a more thorough look at the system and explore just what other features it has to offer, feel free to sign up for a free demo on our website at mydoc365.com. Just click on the free demo button in the upper right-hand corner. We'd love to take the time to explore how Doc CLM can benefit your organization. Thank you very much, and have a great day.